What's up, everyone? Today, we're diving into the brand new Google Pixel 10 family. I just got my hands on them, and trust me, I was wrong about thinking there wasn't much new to see this year. So, let's talk about what really matters. Let's kick things off with color. Google didn't go all out with wild shades, but they've got some good ones like the classic Indigo and the bright, fresh Lemongrass for the base model. Oh, and the Pro models? They got this sleek Moonstone gray that really stands out. Fancy, right? Now, here's something exciting. The Pixel 10 Pro finally brings MagSafe but for Android. Google calls it Pixel Snap, and it works just like Apple's MagSafe. So you can snap your MagSafe accessories right onto your Pixel. Finally! And it even supports faster wireless charging up to 25 watts on the Pro XL. I'm hyped. Moving on to the Pixel 10 Pro Fold. It's not as flashy as Samsung's Galaxy Fold 7, but it's got some solid upgrades, especially when it comes to durability. The new steel hinge is super smooth, and get this, it's the first foldable with an IP68 rating. That's dust-tight and water-resistant, folks. Huge win. The camera setup? The Fold still doesn't have the full power of its slab siblings, but it's still a Pixel camera, so it'll deliver when it matters. And for the Pixel Watch 4, we're looking at a few nice touches, including a better charger and a smarter design. Plus, the new Material 3 interface for Wear OS looks super clean and polished. No complaints here. So, what's the verdict? Google's doubling down on the ecosystem with some solid hardware updates. Whether it's Pixel Snap, the IP68 Foldable, or the sleek new Pixel Watch, the Pixel 10 family is shaping up to be the Android device to beat in 2024. Let me know in the comments what you want me to dive deeper into for the full review. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more Pixel goodness. Catch you in the next one.